What's up guys, it's your girl Lee, and today we are in the Prime Minister's constituency, keeping up with prosperity. Listen to me, all the dog come for see wagwan. She in a fair element right now, nobody can chat to she. And them thing are people for consider when them go for mark them X. Things like this draw me out of my house to the polling station. Now talk about an active and strong government that cares about the people. The St. Paul's Lane housing units done by this Jamaica Labour Party government transformed the lives of several families today. Broga D would house them like a sell them, I go sell them, cause me couldn't believe so them are free. Richie walk out like a theme place, but me not lie, the house them look real good. Them get bin, bench, and we believe the pitney for ram say no so them second the space for that. Now around here, so after all of the birthday parties, Christmas cooking, this is an excellent space. I don't know this lady, you know, but one thing for sure, everybody did happy for she. I have seen for myself that this government is working for the people. Hey, me see somebody squeeze a nugget, bro God, and him take it out and start read it. One thing for sure, he is going to deliver. No man, them people get proper sort out. Lord, I am seeing what you're doing for others. Now, this is what we vote for. When you see a government going above and beyond to satisfy your needs, you do everything you can to keep that government working for you. It no must have more than another government. I can see for myself what this government prioritizes and adapt me I work with. Anyways, a little more. See you next time on Keeping Up with Prosperity.